Welcome to Angler's Landing, where paradise is just a boat slip away. This 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom villa is ready for a new owner to call it home. The open floor plan includes an eat-in kitchen and living dining combo that opens up to an enclosed porch, great for enjoying your favorite beverage after a long day of being out on the lake. The master bathroom has double sinks, linen closet and tub shower combo. There is a generously sized 5x6 walk-in closet in the master suite and another hall closet for additional storage with washer-dryer hookup. Enjoy this home with the convenience of having your own boat ramp and slip to use for direct access to Lake Henderson, where you can spend the day bass fishing, skiing, or just enjoying the Florida sun in the community pool. City Water and Sewer Association fees cover roof replacement, basic cable and Wi-Fi, lawn service, community boat docking, boat ramp, trailer parking, and a community pool. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle, with Withlacoochee State Trails less than a mile away. 46 miles of paved bike path while being minutes away from downtown, schools, hospital, library, parks, grocery stores, restaurants, shopping, you name it. Make an appointment to see this property and all it has to offer before it's gone.